Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gamer macros. First, understand that macros are powerful tools designed to automate complex sequences of actions within your games. They allow you to execute multiple keystrokes or mouse clicks with just one press of a button, significantly boosting your efficiency. This can be incredibly useful for repetitive tasks or for gaining a competitive edge in fast-paced scenarios, saving you precious milliseconds. To begin, you'll need to install the software that comes with your gaming mouse or keyboard. Most major brands, like Razer, Logitech, or Corsair, provide intuitive applications for macro programming. Once installed, open the software and locate the macro creation section. You'll then select a programmable key or button on your device where you want to assign your new macro, ensuring your drivers are current. Now let's create your first macro. Within the software, you'll typically find a record button. Click it, then perform the exact sequence of actions you wish to automate, such as pressing Q, then W, then E. After recording, you can fine-tune the delays between each action, often measured in milliseconds, to ensure smooth execution in-game. Finally, save your macro with a clear name, like heal combo or build sequence. For advanced users, consider exploring toggle macros, which can repeat an action until you press the key again, perfect for auto-running or sustained fire. Also, don't be afraid to experiment with your delay timings. Even a difference of 50 milliseconds can impact effectiveness. Finally, assign your macros to keys that are easily accessible but not prone to accidental presses during intense gameplay, like a side mouse button or a function key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.